big.
Like a Big Mac.
It's worse than a Big Mac.
This is so fun.
Mm.
That is ridiculous.
Are you videotaping this? Maybe. God dang it.
I'm so excited right now.
That's an epic bite. You just need to do that like 3 more times.
It's gonna like crumble apart.
I'm gonna throw up this afternoon. Got here for a reason. Uh-oh, we're losing bits. Those are still fair game.
It's like you have to finish it all.
Can't be good for my health.
Yeah,
You say that after
they're
you
Oreos.
got totally wasted.
If you ate 10 Oreos, they'd only be worse.
This is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
I'm gonna get back to the office, Steve, do a see at Twitter, he'd be like, what is wrong with you?